1 in 10 Americans deals with bloating regardless of the size of their meals. Bloating can turn into a huge problem, causing a noticeable swelling. Causes of bloating? Bloating episodes and gassiness may be triggered by the following foods. Beans and lentils contain oligosaccharides, a type of sugar that has to be broken down by beneficial bacteria in the intestines. Fruits and veggies. Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, and carrots contain starch that causes gassiness. Apricots and prunes are rich in natural sugars that worsen the gassiness and cause bloating. Dairy. Dairy products contain lactose and milk sugar that may cause bloating and intestinal discomfort if your body is sensitive to it. Are you lactose intolerant? Sweeteners. Sweeteners contain fructose, and many people have trouble digesting it. Sorbitol is an artificial sweetener, and the body can't digest it. Both sugars cause bloating, so you better limit the intake of sorbitol and fructose. Whole grains. Whole grains provide a lot of benefits, but may sometimes cause bloating, gas, and constipation. Nutritionists usually don't recommend a sudden increase in fiber intake. Increase your fiber intake gradually, and give your body enough time to adjust. Drink a lot of water to prevent the fiber from absorbing all the water in your digestive tract. The best oils for your condition, so let's go through some of the best options. Chamomile oil. It reduces intestinal inflammation and relieves pain caused by cramps. Chamomile relieves diarrhea, chronic heartburn, loss of appetite, nausea, motion sickness, and vomiting. This oil may also help you flush the toxins from your body. Cumin oil. Cumin oil relieves intestinal cramps and stomach ache. It relieves the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome such as constipation, diarrhea, and flatulence. Cumin oil isn't recommended for use in pregnant women, and you have to avoid sunlight after applying it to the skin. Ginger oil. Ginger has a great ability to relieve motion sickness, nausea, loss of appetite, and pain. Thanks to its carminative properties, ginger can reduce flatulence, gassiness, and abdominal discomfort. Peppermint oil. It's the best oil you will ever use to relieve gas and bloating. You can take peppermint in capsule form or apply it to the skin to relieve cramping and pain. This oil has also shown a great effect on those dealing with gassiness. You can also use cardamom and fennel oil. Fennel is delicious and has shown great ability to enhance digestion. It has a strong antifungal and antibacterial effect that helps you deal with dangerous pathogens. That's why fennel oil is recommended to those dealing with gassiness caused by bad bacteria. This oil can also prevent and treat colic and chronic colitis. Add a couple of drops of fennel oil to a glass of water or your herbal tea.